Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump mengatakan akan melakukan pertemuan dengan perwakilan Iran pekan depan. Trump mengaku akan ada penandatanganan perjanjian yang melibatkan dua negara. Trump juga menyinggung peluang kesepakatan perjanjian nuklir yang melibatkan Iran dan Amerika. Menurutnya perjanjian itu tidak diperlukan pihak Amerika saat ini.
Look, we're going to talk to them next week with Iran. We may sign an agreement. I don't know. To me, I don't think it's that necessary. I mean, they had a war, they fought. Now they're going back to their world. I don't care if I have an agreement or not. The only thing we'd be asking for is what we were asking for before about we want no nuclear, but we destroyed the nuclear. In other words, that's destroyed. I said Iran will not have nuclear. Well, we blew it up. It's blown up to kingdom come, and so I don't feel very strongly about it. If we got a document, wouldn't be bad. We're going to meet with them, actually. We're going to meet with them.